There's quite a few ways to handle backing up a WordPress website. Paid plugins generally provide better experiences like automatic backups, and some hosting providers take care of backups for you, meaning you don't even need a plugin. If you're not ready to pay money for a premium backup experience, no worries. We're going to learn how to back up our WordPress website for free in this video using UpdraftPlus. If you are looking for a set it and forget it approach, click the link in the description to check out my recommended tools for backing up your WordPress website. Okay, so I have a website here and we want to back it up in case there's a problem. So I'm assuming you can know how to get into the admin area at this point. So we'll go in there and then we're going to go to plugins, add new, and then we're going to look for UpdraftPlus. UpdraftPlus. Okay, and then you can see that a lot of people like this one, so that is good, or it's a good sign. So we'll hit install and activate. Okay, and then, well, you can go through their tool or their getting started tool, but I'm just going to hit settings. And then we can hit backup now. And then you want to include your database in the backup and include your files. I'm going to hit backup now. And then we're going to wait for it to install or for it to download everything and create the files. So I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so it's finished. And I hit OK here, and then we have our database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. So, and there's a restore button here. So what we're going to want to do is download these to our computer or some server or wherever you want to download them to. Okay, so these are ready. So now we can hit download, and we'll want to download each one. And you can tell this is a very manual process. Okay, so all of these have been downloaded, and we'll go check our downloads folder. And I've pulled that over here, and so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got everything we need. You can double check that everything is correct if you want, but we have everything, so we can wipe this site now and start over from scratch. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is going to look different depending on how you're set up. I'm currently using Bluehost, so the way that I would get rid of that is by going to my Bluehost dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and close out of these. Okay, and then so if you go to My Sites, this is again for Bluehost. However you do it is up to you. I'm going to go to Settings, Delete Site. So this site is going to be completely wiped. Okay, so it's gone, and now if I go to beepbop.co, we got nothing. So my site's gone. I have to back it up. I have to restore it now. So let's create a new site. And however you create your site, again, is going to depend on your host. I'm going to keep these plugins uninstalled. I don't think that matters, though, because the backup is just going to wipe everything anyway. Okay, so it just created our website for us, or a brand new one. So I'm going to grab this password here, and I'm going to go to beepbop.co/wp-admin. And so this is a new site now. So I'm going to enter my username and password. Okay, and then I'm in, and we have this coming soon page. We can get rid of that if you wanted, just to kind of see what we have. So however you do that, I think it is going to depend on your host, but I'm going to get rid of this coming soon page just so we can see the website. Okay, so that's done. And now if I go to beepbop.co, I get this site, which is not mine. So let's go back to our dashboard area. We're going to go to plugins, add new. We're going to install UpdraftPlus. Oh, I guess you have to type the whole thing in. Okay, UpdraftPlus, install now. It has been installed. We'll activate. All right, and then now we'll hit settings. Okay, and then now I just need to drag and drop the, oh, well, actually, we need to upload backup files. Okay, so we hit upload backup files, and then now we can drag and drop our files. So I've got these 5 here, so I'm gonna shift and hold and click on all those, drag them here, and they're going to upload. And so I will see you in a moment when all of these have finished uploading. Okay, the backup files are all back onto the dashboard area. So we can now hit this restore button. So we'll hit restore, and then we'll want to hit plugins, themes, uploads, others, and databases, or database, which is basically the entirety of the website. So we'll hit next, and now we'll have to hit restore. Okay, and then it says restore successful, so we can return to Updraft, or we could just go to our website. So let's get rid of this login URL and just go back to the website, and we can see that here we are. Here's our backed up WordPress website. So you're good to go. And that's pretty much it for backing up a website with the free plugin for UpdraftPlus. And you'll notice it was kind of a pain because there was a bunch of stuff that you had to do. If you want the set it and forget it approach, then feel free to check out the link in the description, and we can go over some other alternatives that are easier to work with. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. I hope this was helpful for you, and please subscribe to the channel and check out the website in the description, and I will see you in the next video.